SP Tools 548-piece metric and SAE toolkit in Sumo Series PowerHutch. Sumo Series PowerHutch is SP Tools mid-size storage system with onboard power. The wide series PowerHutch is 1066mm wide, 480mm in depth and a total height of 1610mm. It features 18 drawers with various depth configuration. The top section of the PowerHutch has a clamshell design lid with twin gas struts. The hutch has been designed to store your cordless tools and chargers. It includes a power board with 4 240-volt outlets and 4 5-volt USB outlets. The lower section of the PowerHutch has 13 drawers with 3 drawer widths, 1000mm, 570mm and 300mm, and various depths to optimise storage. The drawers are equipped with full extension 28 ball bearing slides. The slides are rated to carry 40 kg per pair. On larger drawers with dual slides, this increases to 80 kg. The side of the box is equipped with easy grip handles and are fitted on both ends to suit any workspace. The PowerHutch features 4 heavy duty casters, 2 fixed and 2 swivel. The swivel casters have an easy one-touch break, hold and release. The PowerHutch is painted with high quality dual layer UV resistant powder coat. The tools. SP Tools 85-piece metric and SAE socket and accessory set in EVA foam. The set includes quarter drive metric and SAE sockets 4 to 14mm and 3/16 to ½ inch, 3/8 drive metric and SAE sockets 8 to 19mm and 5/16 to 3/4, ½ inch drive metric and SAE sockets 13 to 32mm and ½ inch to 1 1/4, 3/8 drive spark plug sockets in 5/8 and 13/16, quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive soft grip 45 tooth ratchets, quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive soft grip breaker bars, a range of quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive extension bars, and a range of socket drive adapters. In addition to the EVA set, the socket range also includes 2 sets of 3/8 drive deep sockets on rails, 10 to 19mm and 5/16 to 3/4. SP Tools 56-piece metric and SAE impact socket set in EVA foam. The set includes ½ inch drive impact sockets 10 to 24mm, ½ inch drive deep impact sockets 10 to 24mm, ½ inch drive in-hex metric impact sockets 4 to 17mm, ½ inch drive in-hex SAE impact sockets 3/16 to 9/16, ½ inch drive Torx impact sockets T25 to T70. SP Tools 40-piece metric and SAE spanner set in EVA foam. The kit includes 2 inserts holding quad drive combination spanners 6 to 32mm and quarter to 1 1/4. SP Tools combination spanners have 2 exclusive features that set them apart. The quad drive open end. This feature enables the open end of the wrench to grip on 4 sides of the fastener instead of the normal 2. The gripping point moves away from the corner of the fastener to the flat side due to the internal radius corners that are part of the internal design of the wrench. The dual flat drive ring end. This feature has 2 parts. First, the unique shape of the internal ring causes the fastening force to be applied to the flat side of the fasteners rather than the corners. The second is the flat top and bottom of the ring end. By not chamfering the internal ring of the wrench, we have extended the length of the contact to the fastener. This is extremely useful when dealing with damaged bolts or where bolts are recessed and access is limited. In addition to the EVA set, the spanner range also includes 2 sets of stubby quad drive combination spanners 8 to 19mm and 5/16 to 3/4, and 2 sets of gear drive combination spanners 8 to 19mm 5/16 to 1 inch. SP Tools 20-piece chrome alloy screwdriver set with induction hardened tips, 6 Phillip head screwdrivers 38 to 150mm in length, 6 standard blade screwdrivers 38 to 150mm in length, 8 Torx tamper screwdrivers from T8 to T40. All screwdrivers feature SP Tools ergonomic dual texture soft grips. SP Tools 6-piece precision screwdriver set, 3 Phillips head and 3 standard blade screwdrivers. SP Tools 13-piece impact screwdriver set, which includes Phillips, slotted and hex bits. SP Tools chrome alloy pliers and cutters with induction hardened cutting and grip points. 200mm diagonal cutters with dual texture grips, 200mm long nose pliers with dual texture grips, 200mm combination pliers with dual texture grips, a 250mm 3-rivet heavy duty locking plier that features chrome alloy steel jaws, 165, 250 and 320mm heavy duty multi grips with chrome alloy steel, 150, 250 and 375mm adjustable benches made from chrome alloy steel. 4-piece circlip plier set made from chrome alloy steel, 1 75mm straight and bent internal circlip pliers, 1 75mm straight and bent external circlip pliers. SP Tools S2 chrome alloy steel 9-piece hex and Torx key set, 2 sets of 9-piece metric hex keys 1.5 to 10mm in long series and stubby series, 2 sets of 9-piece SAE hex keys 1/16 to 3/8 inch long series and stubby series, 2 sets of 9-piece Torx keys T10 to T50 in long series and stubby series. SP Tools S2 chrome alloy steel 8-piece hex and Torx key T-handle sets, 8-piece metric hex key 2 to 10mm, 8-piece SAE hex key 5/64 to 3/8 inch, and 8-piece Torx keys T8 to T50. 10-piece chrome molly punch and chisel set with 3 chisels and 7 pin punches, sizes 2 to 10mm, 16-ounce and 24-ounce ball peen hammers with genuine hickory handle from a certified FSC timber source, 40mm dual soft hard tip hammer with additional shot-filled head for dead blow function, 44-ounce 1-piece construction dead blow hammer, 102-piece bit set including quarter drive low profile mini ratchet. The kit also includes a 16-piece e-Torx spanner and socket set, a circuit tester with separate LED polarity display, 10 amp DC digital multimeter, an 8-meter retractable tape measure, SP Tools all-purpose utility knife, 4-piece mini hook and pick set, and a 4-piece tweezer set, 3-piece wire brush set with stainless, mild steel and brass bristles, 4-piece heavy-duty pry bar set, 3-piece heavy-duty scraper set, 2-piece metric and SAE thread files, 5-piece screw extractor set, 50mm extendable mirror, a 1kg extendable magnet pickup tool, LED work light, a 300mm professional quality hacksaw.